Costco 2-month low.
All right. Now, Rich Galanti, who is the CFO, tells a tale where he basically says it's not if you're going to get the special dividend, it's when. There's some people who are nitpicking and talking about his e-commerce not doing that well. I come out and say everybody who is a merchant should be jealous of what you heard on Costco last night. I mean, he had to downsize his fleet. Remember, he had a fleet of that hurt his numbers.
Yes.
He had a fleet of container ships, but they did save $1,000 to $2,000 per containers for 50,000 containers, adding 24 new stores. The gasoline business is not as good because gasoline's come down in price, hence why I don't mind the CPI. And I have to tell you that this is a situation where the U.S. traffic is extraordinary, and you sell this one at your own peril. My travel trust does own it, and I felt terrifically about the call. Terrific. Anybody who knows Costco knows that Rich Galanti, who is really one of the best CFOs, if not the best CFO in the country, would signal if things were weaker. TVs are the only thing that I heard that I was worried about. They're still being bought, but in smaller sizes. That's the only thing I heard that made me feel at all suspect about the consumer. At all.
We didn't hear it from Calvin McDonald. He continued to say this consumer is strong and is right into this holiday season, starting to see the gift-giving building.
That stock's down. I mean, look, people
Lulu is down about 7%. Of course, we were just joined by Mr. McDonald.
But now his stock had run big, Mr. McDonald. Costco's already down. My travel trust did sell some higher. I hated that. We've owned it forever, and I sold some. But I just said, I think it's just going to go down because the November numbers weren't that good. But at a certain point, if you don't own Costco and you're a member of Costco, you know that it just gets better and better. And they're holding the line on chickens, David. They're holding the line on chickens.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, Mr. McDonald says Lulu's holding the line on price. Take a listen.
We have great pricing power, great momentum. The guests are resonating with the new product. Our traffic and new guest acquisitions are strong. So 1 year into our 5-year growth plan, we're sitting in a very good position and have a lot of confidence in our business moving forward.
There you had it.
Well, I just think the stock's down. You know, people are very downbeat. I think people feel, well, wait a second, if everybody's doing badly, how could Lulu be doing well? If everybody's doing badly, how could Costco be doing well? I think we're talking about better operators. You can sell the stock. The stocks are expensive. But in the end, you're going to want to come back, in part because these people do it better. They are just better at what they do. It's okay. And they have a longer runway. The international runway here is extraordinary.
Well, we do have some betting on, say, Bed Bath, right? A little third-point action there. Stock has not quite topped out earlier highs in the past few days.
Well, Bed Bath, I think, problematic situation.
I'm sorry, I meant Bath & Body Works.
Yeah, the a little saber rattling there doesn't bad. That company's not that bad. The last numbers weren't that bad. Costco
Bath
does
Body Works, right?
Yeah, I'm looking at Helene Meiser, one of my favorite technicians, who's saying that Costco has to hold right here. I follow her on Twitter, so let's see if it does hold.